Hey, HSEstudy crew, close your eyes for a second. Picture a factory floor, machines roaring, workers hustling. Then a scream cuts through the noise. A worker's hand is mangled in a machine, blood stains the concrete, and a company's world flips upside down. All because of one tiny oversight, a missing machine guard. In 2024, 18,000 machine injuries cost billions per OSHA stats, and one mistake can spiral into a $500,000 nightmare. Welcome to One Small Mistake: how a missing guard cost a company $500,000, a 30-minute, heart-pounding journey into a safety lapse that shattered lives and wallets. We're telling a dramatized story of Apex manufacturing, its human and legal fallout, and how you can stop this in your workplace. Workers, safety pros, bosses, this is your wake-up call. Grab your team, settle in. You're about to witness a tragedy you'll never forget and learn to save lives. Act 1. The calm before the storm. Meet Jackson Carter, 30, a machinist at Apex Manufacturing, a mid-sized Ohio factory in 2024. He's the guy everyone loves, cracks jokes, fixes anything, always has a story about his kids, Mia, 8, and Ethan, 5. Jackson's been with Apex for 7 years, running a massive press machine that stamps metal parts. He's good, fast, reliable. His wife, Sarah, a part-time nurse, depends on his steady paycheck to cover their mortgage, school supplies, and Mia's soccer fees. Life's tight but good. Jackson's the rock. Apex is a busy shop. 50 workers, churning out parts for auto suppliers. The plant's old, machines creaking, but production's king. The press machine Jackson runs has a guard, a metal shield over its gears, to keep hands clear. 3 weeks ago, the guard broke during a night shift. Supervisor Tom, 45, a stressed-out vet of 20 years, saw it. "We'll order a new one," he said, "but orders are backlogged. Budgets are tight." "It's fine for now," Tom told the crew. "Just be careful." Jackson, trusting Tom, keeps working. Workers whisper about the risk, but no one speaks up. Deadlines loom, and rocking the boat feels dicey. The factory's safety culture is shaky. Training's a once-a-year checkbox. Mostly videos no one watches. Daily inspections? Spotty at best. OSHA posters fade on the break room wall. Ignored. A 2024 X post from an Apex worker reads, "Management cuts corners, but we're the ones at risk. Complacency's the real boss. Everyone thinks it's just one guard." What's the worst that can happen? Act 2. The mistake that changed everything. It's a crisp October morning, 2024. Apex is slammed, rushing a big order. Jackson's at his press, the unguarded gears whirring inches from his hands. He's tired. Ethan was up sick all night, but pushes through. The machine's rhythm is hypnotic. Load metal, press, repeat. Tom's in the office, dodging calls about late shipments, not checking the floor. At 10:17 a.m., Jackson reaches to adjust a misaligned part. His sleeve, loose from a long shift, brushes the gears. In a heartbeat, the machine grabs it, yanking his hand into the metal teeth. A scream rips through the factory. The gears chew Jackson's hand. Bones crunch, tendons snap. Blood sprays, pooling on the floor. Co-workers freeze, then rush over. "Shut it off!" someone yells, but the emergency stop's jammed from disuse. Precious seconds tick by. Maria, a line worker, finally cuts power. Jackson slumped, pale, his hand a mangled wreck. The crew's in shock. Some gag, others cry. Tom sprints from his office, face ashen. "Call 911!" he barks, but the nearest phone's across the shop. Paramedics arrive in 12 minutes, Too late to save Jackson's hand. The human toll unfolds fast. Jackson's rushed to the ER, facing 3 surgeries, $120,000 in bills. His hand's gone, amputated below the wrist. He's out of work, maybe forever. Sarah scrambles, picking up night shifts, but they're drowning in debt. Mia stops soccer. Ethan senses Dad's pain, acting out at school. Jackson, once the shop's light, sinks into depression, haunted by what-ifs. He tells Sarah, "I should have said something about that guard." His coworkers feel it too. Guilt festers, trust in Apex erodes. Turnover spikes. 3 workers quit within a month. A 2025 X post from Maria reads, "Jackson was our heart. We failed him." Act 3. The legal and financial avalanche. OSHA gets wind of the incident, launching an investigation. Inspectors swarm Apex, zeroing in on the unguarded machine. They find a laundry list of violations. No guard, no daily inspections, inadequate training, and a broken emergency stop. The lead violation, failure to guard machinery, nets a serious fine of $16,131 per 2025 OSHA rates. But that's just the start. Jackson's lawyer, sensing negligence, digs deeper. Apex knew the guard was missing for weeks, ignored worker whispers, and skipped maintenance logs. The case is airtight. In court, Jackson's story breaks hearts. His kids testify, Mia sobbing about Dad's empty sleeve. The jury sees Apex's corner cutting. Tom's "it's fine" haunts the room. The verdict? $400,000 in damages for medical costs, lost wages, and pain. Add $120,000 in medical liens, $50,000 in legal fees, $30,000 in lost production, the shop shut for days, and $20,000 for mandatory safety audits. Total hit, $500,000. Apex, already cash-strapped, lays off 12 workers to survive, teetering on bankruptcy. Tom's fired, but the damage is done. A 2024 Illinois case echoes this. A missing saw guard cost a finger. $18,000 fine. $200,000 lawsuit. One guard. One moment. $500,000 gone. Why did Apex fall? Complacency, thinking one guard didn't matter. Poor training. Workers weren't taught to report risks. No accountability. Tom brushed off the issue. Workers feared speaking up. Weak systems. No daily checks. No logs. The 2024 Michigan factory ignored guards. Worker maimed. $25,000 fine. $150,000 lawsuit. These aren't accidents. They're choices. Act 4. Heroes who got it right. Contrast Apex with heroes who dodged disaster. In 2024, a Wisconsin factory ran daily safety talks. A worker spotted a loose guard, reported it, fixed in hours, 0 injuries, $60,000 saved. A 2025 Arizona shop trained workers to flag risks. One caught a missing guard on a lathe. No fines, no harm. A 2024 Texas crew checked machines daily, found a faulty guard, $40,000 spared. These aren't luck. They're systems, inspections, training, voices heard. A 2025 X post from a Nevada worker sums it up. We check guards every day. No one's losing a hand here. Real-world data backs this. OSHA says guarded machines cut injuries by 60%. Daily checks catch 80% of hazards. Training empowers workers to speak up. 25% fewer violations in trained shops. The cost of a guard? $500. The cost of skipping it? Jackson's hand. Apex's $500,000. A community's trust. Act 5. Your playbook to prevent disaster. How do you stop an apex disaster? Here's your HSE playbook, built on blood and lessons. Inspect daily. Walk your shop, check every guard, tag out faulty machines. A 2024 Georgia site did this. No incidents, $30,000 saved. Train hard. Teach workers to spot hazards. Report without fear. A 2025 Virginia Cruise training caught a blade issue. $20,000 spared. Build a speak-up culture. Workers, call out risks. Bosses, listen. A 2024 Colorado worker flagged a guard, saved a limb. Document everything. Log inspections, training, fixes. A 2025 Missouri log dodged a $15,000 fine. Invest in gear, guards, stops, sensors. A 2024 Tennessee shop upgraded guards. 0 violations, $50,000 saved. For HSE fans, guards are safety's heartbeat. Less blood, less stress, stronger teams. Jackson's story isn't just a tragedy, it's a call to action. One check, one voice, one guard can rewrite the ending. OSHA's 2024 data shows 18,000 machine injuries, each a story like Jackson's, each preventable. Act 6. Your mission. HSEstudy crew. Jackson's scream still echoes at Apex. His kids' tears, Sarah's night shifts, the $500,000 bill. They're your warning. One small mistake, a missing guard, wrecked everything. But you can be the Wisconsin hero, the Arizona whistleblower, the Texas checker. Pause this. Think. Any machine in your workplace missing a guard? Any hazard ignored? Tomorrow, walk your floor, check one machine, report one risk. Tell your boss, your crew, we're not Apex. Hit HSEstudy.in for free. OSHA guard checklists, safety talk templates, HSE firepower. Share this with your team. One watch could save a hand, a life, a company. Subscribe to HSEstudy. Hit the bell. We're dropping safety gold weekly. Jackson's story ends in pain, but yours doesn't have to. Let's stop disasters. See you safe out there.